Hello ladies and gentlemen. So I have heard that some of you might want to trigger the transitions using a UI button rather than touching these blocks right here, which is what I'm going to show you in this quick video. So I've already created my buttons easy, medium, and hard. So let's get programming. So you can notice that our buttons are also in the same screen GUI as all of our frames that we've used for our transitions. Yeah, so let's just get programming. Anyways, let's define our variables for the easy button. So local easy button equals script.parent.easy. Local medium button equals script.parent.medium. And local hard button equals script.parent.hard. So now once we've done that, we also want to define the bounce variable where it's automatically set to false at first. So this line of code will help us prevent the user from clicking the button too much at once, which could potentially be game breaking. So now once we've done that, all we have to do is just replace this line of code with saying that easy button dot mouse button one click connect function, delete this parentheses, and that's it. And basically what this is saying is that when the easy button has been clicked in this example, then it will trigger a function, which the function contains these lines of code right here. We also want to add our debounce variable checker. So if not debounce, then the bounce equals true. So we have to copy paste our lines of code right here, make it visible, and also add a debounce equals set it back to false. After this transition has been done, the bounce will be set to false, and this will just help the game from breaking potentially. So now we have to repeat the same process for our medium button. So So medium button. All right, that's done. We also have to add another debounce. If not debounce, then debounce equals true. Copy paste our lines of code. Did that, and the bounce equals false. And finally, set it for our hard transition. So hard button. Yep. And then just add a, let's see. All right. If not debounce, then debounce equals true. Let's just repeat, just copy paste everything that we have into this conditional statement. Once that's done, the balance equals true. For this, okay, the balance equals false. All right, and I believe that should be done. Let's test our code. But first, when we trigger the transition, if we want to hide these buttons when the transition happens, all we have to do is select all these buttons right here and set a z index to anything that is below the z index of our frames that we're going to be using for our transition. So since our z index is 1, let's set our z index of all of these buttons to 0, so that it'll automatically hide all the transitions right here. So let's test it out. All right. Notice how it hides a button. Notice how I can't spam the button until the transition's been done. And the hard transition. Yep. Great. That's done. So that's how you trigger these transitions using the UI buttons. I hope that has answered your question, and I'll see you next time.